Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and today we're going to unbox the brand new budget smartphone from Huawei Honor, the Honor 5C. So the Honor 5 is the successor of the Honor 4C, which was released last year. So compared to the previous generation device, the Honor 5C packs a lot of good specification for this price point. So now we have a full HD display. It's a 5.2 inch full HD display with 424 pixels per inch. Then we have a Kirin high silicon 650 octa-core chipset, which is clocked at 2 GHz. We have a 2 GB RAM and a 16 GB internal storage. We have a full HD display, 13 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 4G LTE, fingerprint scanner, and a battery capacity of 3000 mAh. Now this phone also comes with a EMUI 4.1 on top of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So the box packing, nothing has changed. It is very similar to the previous generation devices and even the Honor 5X. So let's just open this. So there you go. So that's the Honor 5C, which is the gray variant. So we have selected the gray variant. So it's available in 3 colors, gold, silver and gray variant. So this is the gray variant of the Honor 5C. So let's just peel off these things. So here you go. So looks really good. The finishing is pretty good. You can see here there is a pattern on the sides of the device, really good finishing. The power and the volume keys are on the right side. We have the SIM tray. On the left side we have the micro USB charging slot at the bottom, the speaker located at the bottom, and then we have the 3.5mm audio jack on the top. So we have the Honor branding here, 8 megapixel camera. A screen guard is already fixed onto this device. There is no screen protection, but there is a screen guard already installed, and the looks are pretty good overall. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So we have the manual and the warranty information. So there you go. That's the manual and warranty information. Then we have the standard charger. So there you go, the standard charger. So this is a 5 volt 1 ampere charger, so there is no quick charging support, and we have the USB cables also included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So we also have a SIM ejector pin included here. So the material quality looks pretty impressive, metallic build, and the design also looks refreshing. So that's one good thing. We have this curved finishing and also a pattern on the sides of the device. So let's now boot this device and see the interface. So this runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow, EMUI 4.1. So that's the latest version. So looks pretty compact. This is a 5.2 inch device. So in the size aspect, this is pretty good, and smaller in size. So that's the Honor 5C with EMUI 4.1. So let's go to the settings. So you can see settings wise not much of change, but this has Android 6.0 Marshmallow. We have fingerprint ID. Then there is smart assistance. We have navigation bar, customization, floating dock, one-handed UI, motion control, voice control. So a lot of features are included in this device, and this has 16 GB internal storage available. So let's just quickly go to the storage options available. So let's go to the advanced settings. So there is memory and storage. So around 10.52 GB available out of the 16 GB. Free is 9.87. So quite good storage available. You can also expand the storage. And this has a 13 megapixel rear camera. So let's just quickly test the camera quality. So there you go. So Honor phones are known for their really good clarity in terms of the camera performance. So you can here also you can see good detailing in the photos. So this should be a good camera. We'll have the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So overall we would say this is a really good device in terms of the design and build quality. Pretty good. It's a compact design. It's a well built phone, great material quality, and the UI also looks really polished and looks pretty good overall. So that is a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Honor 5C. It's a budget smartphone. It's available for 10,999, available exclusively on Flipkart in 3 colors, the gray, silver and the gold variants. So that's all guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.